Imagine creating something like this in just minutes. Stay tuned to find out how. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D design with Bing's Image Creator. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating your very own 3D keychain images using Bing's Image Creator. With no further ado, let's start exploring how Bing Image Creator can transform your ideas into stunning 3D keychain designs in just minutes. Step 1. Accessing Bing Image Creator. First things first, let's access the Magic Portal. Head over to your browser and search for Bing Image Creator. It's completely free to use, so no need to worry about software downloads. Once you're there, you might need to create a free Microsoft account. Step 2. Unleashing your prompt power. Imagine your dream keychain. Is it a miniature pizza slice for the ultimate foodie? A superhero symbol for the comic book fan in you? Bing Image Creator thrives on descriptive prompts. So, the more detailed you are, the better the results will be. For example, let's try a golden 3D keychain shaped like a miniature robot holding a tiny wrench with wording, "You make a difference." There should not be any other elements in the background. Don't be afraid to get creative. Add details about colors, textures, and even the background if you have something specific in mind. Step 3. Witnessing the AI magic. Hit that Create button and wait for moments as the AI work its wonders. Bing Image Creator will churn out several options based on your prompt. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and refine them based on the results. Step 4. Choosing your perfect keychain. Once you've found the perfect keychain design, you can download it as an image file, save it, share it, or customize the image. Now you can use it for personal projects, print it yourself, or even send it to a 3D printing service to create a real-life keychain. Step 5. Beyond keychains, endless possibilities. Remember, Bing Image Creator isn't limited to keychains. You can use it for all sorts of creative projects. Design a unique phone case, craft a personalized mug, or even create a custom greeting card. The possibilities are endless. You can then sell print on demand on Amazon. It's free to become a merch on demand content creator on Amazon. Amazon will only print what's sold and you can earn monthly royalties. Now it's your turn. Head over to Bing Image Creator and start designing your dream keychains. Share your design experience in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content on exploring the world of AI tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.